What's going on, everyone? All right, I don't know if you saw for those couple clips, but like I said, there was a big shop upgrade getting done, as you can see behind me and everywhere else. We got more lights put in the shop, and we got a bunch of them. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we obviously got these two here, which this one's bad. So we got 10 of these lights put up, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I know I can. And what I see is a mess that we need to clean up. This shop is disgusting, it's dirty. Between Dustin moving out and all that stuff, everything just got pushed around and moved around for his stuff to get out. So definitely gotta spend some time and get the shop cleaned up. We got the lighting in here. I'm gonna try it out. Right now, I know it's a lot better. I'm hoping at night, well, I know at night it's gonna be even brighter, which is great. My thing is that they're LEDs, and I don't know if it's gonna mess with the video quality and stuff like that. But as far as I know, it's working good. I was thinking of adding a couple more, just because you can never have too many lights, especially for YouTube. You know, like when you're recording and stuff. And I want to try and get out the best quality videos for you guys that I can possibly get with my budget. So, and this was a big step, and this wasn't cheap, you know. So these lights are expensive, but it's got to be done, you know. So yeah, I was thinking to put another row like right here, you know, just another one right in there where that hole is right there. We have another strip right there, so that will light up more over the S10, you know, because that lights up more in the back and more over on this area here. But if I did one right there, it will illuminate more in the back side of the truck. So yeah, I'm excited. Definitely more lighting in here. Cut on this dirty fan too clear because the high's too much. That fan gets shaky. So yeah, shop update. We got lights. There's more to come for the shop, guys. I'm gonna be painting these walls and stuff like that because there's evidence here of Dustin. I think he's hiding out over there somewhere. Dustin, where are you? Guys, look at the Accord. It looks so good. Can't wait to start on this car again. But first, we got to work on these beasts. Just because, like I said, we're going to be moving into our house soon. And I want the truck to be a rolling ship. So, rear's in the truck. Not fully, but it's in. Waiting on front suspension to come in. I ordered the control arms, all that already. You guys saw in the last video, we got the brakes for the truck already. So we're making progress on this truck for sure. And just waiting on the control arms to come in. When the control arms come in, I can go ahead and get those installed on the truck. Put the spindles on, which are over there. And keep going from there. Save up for the rack. I need to get some, what's it called? Can't think of the name. Like the stuff you use for sand, not sandpaper, but the other one. Whatever, I can't think of the name for it, but it's kind of like sandpaper, but it's not. So, anyways, I've been using this to sand the cage down, as you guys see. Sanded this bar here, sanded some of this here, over there, sanded some. But just this stuff is just so hard to get off, you know. And I don't want to bore you guys with just a video of me sitting here doing this, you know, the whole entire time. So, yeah, I'm going to get that done off camera for sure, as much as I can throughout the day. But Doomsday is going to be coming up here soon. I got to work on Doomsday. I'm going to put a Hellcat fuel pump in it for him, so he can go ahead and get it tuned again. Because I think he thinks his fuel pump's going back because it's dropping fuel pressure. So it's getting down to like 20 something, and that's not very much good. So I'm gonna keep sanding on this cage until he gets here. All right, so I got the fuel pump put in Doomsday. Mike's messing with it for a little bit. I'm gonna get to work more on this cage. I'm gonna go ahead and start just making these drop bars here and getting them all cut up and stuff before we even weld them, just so they're at least done. I went ahead and measured this one up real quick. So we gotta cut it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cut, get it notched, and get it fitted, and then go ahead and get the other two done as well, and go from there. So I'm tired of sanding this cage. So I'm just gonna get everything mocked up, and then I'll go through the whole thing quickly, sand it all down, and then maybe I'll tack weld everything with my welder, and then when I get gas, I'll go ahead and finish welding everything up. I just want to get this cage done already. So yeah, let's get this pipe cut. Alright, so I got everything cut down and notched and everything. I got them all in place where they need to be. I got the welder out. And I got my mask. Sit down here for a second charging up. Then I'm just going to go ahead and tack all that up. So it's all tacked on there, we're good. And I don't have to worry about it moving out of place and have. I'm going to go ahead and do a final measurements before I weld it up. Oh, excuse me. And then go from there. So yeah, let's get this stuff tacked up. All right, so I got everything just tacked, a couple taxes here and there, just so it doesn't move or anything on me. I measured it up, make sure everything was all even and everything, and tacked it up. Like I said, I don't really want to weld it up because I don't have gas in my welder, but I did want to at least get some tacks on there, so when I have gas, I can go through it. But we got 2 door bars in the truck, so get it all tacked up. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Everything is the same length everywhere, all that stuff, you know. So we got another door bar. So really all that's left on this cage is obviously fully welded and go through it all, sanding it, but will be the harness bar here, and then the, I guess they call them lateral bars that will come off, like when you have your bar going across for the harness, you'll have a bar that's going to be etched into that and then come down to here. So other than that, this inside piece would be good. And then we just got to work on the pieces that come back to the frame of the truck. So yeah, I'm excited to have that other door bar done. It was really bugging me not having it done, but now we got them both there and should be good to go. Let me know about the lighting, guys, in the video. What do you guys think? I know it's daylight out now, so it's a little better, but at night is when I really had a problem. I mean, even during the daytime, it was bad. Like, let me shut the lights off. Like, right now during the day, I mean, you can still see, but it's dark. But now look when I cut the lights on. So, I'm probably definitely gonna notice a bigger difference at night than during the day. But either way, I'm happy, I'm stoked. We got that done. I still had 2 bars, which I guess the short bars will be used for other stuff. But here, like I said, I got these 2 long pieces here. And then I got those 2 small pieces here. And up in the attic, I got a bunch of little, like, maybe like a foot long pieces and stuff. So those would be good to do little things and stuff. Cage is making progress. I mean, that's a big thing I need to get done. I'm waiting on more parts for the suspension parts so we can get this truck fully rolling. That's why some of these last videos ain't been like a lot of work, because it's just waiting on parts. But I do want to keep videos going for you guys, update videos and stuff like that. You guys did see in the last video, we got all the brakes for it. But obviously I can't assemble the front end until we get this control arms in, because these are all garbage. I'm not using these. These are trash. So I got brand new ones coming in. We can get those put on and then get the spindle put on with the brakes and stuff. And at that point, they'll be saving up some more money for the gearbox, or the rack and pinion. I'm not going gearbox. The rack and pinion for it. And then from there, steering column. I think that should be it for the front end. Oh, and coilovers. Because I'm putting coils in the front. In the rear, I want to save up and get the cow tracks. So, yeah. Slowly but surely, we'll get this truck done. Progress is progress, like I always tell you guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and clean up a little bit. Bring the Accord back in here. Get this video edited up for you guys. And get it posted. So, yeah. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please smash that like button and consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. Comment below what you guys think of the progress on the S10. And we'll go from there. So, let me know in the comments who's here for the S10 build and who's here for the Accord build. So we're both of them's gonna be pretty badass. Don't get me wrong. You know, just right now, I really want to focus on this truck. We've done a lot of work on the Accord and stuff, and it's pretty much ready for a tune, far as I know. But I want to get this truck rolling. It's a priority because, like I said, we're gonna be moving into our house in a couple of months, and I want this truck to be able to roll. So when we go to the new house, we can just roll it. Because we won't be needing the shop no more when we get our house. But like I said, we have some property, and we're gonna have a little shop put in the back. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.